Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing really well. So today I have a Primark haul. So as you can see, I have my big brown bag sitting behind me there. So yeah, I'm really excited to do another Primark haul. As you guys know, I absolutely love Primark. So I don't have many clothing bits in this haul just because when I was in Primark there wasn't that many kind of spring and kind of summery bits out, but I did pick up lots of really cute bits. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you everything in this haul, and let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing I picked up is this really cute bag. Like, how adorable is this? It's so cute. I love this kind of pink colour. You know, I think it's going to be great for spring and summertime, and this embellishment here is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, it has like these little beads on it with little diamantes. Like, how cute is that? So it just opens like a little flat bag, and it has a really nice long strap inside, which is great. So yeah, I just think this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this, and yeah, I think it's going to be really great for this spring and summertime. So this was £10. Okay, so next thing I picked up are these trainers. These are so cute. I love that these are sock trainers, if you guys can see that there. Yeah, like, these are literally so comfortable on. Like, I have tried these already and they're just amazing, and I love that they look quite like branded trainers, you know, like Nike or Adidas. So yeah, like, Primark is really stepping up their game. Like, literally their stuff is so trendy now. Yeah, I'm so impressed. So these trainers are £12. Okay, so next thing I picked up is this water bottle. So this is actually a water bottle that's got like a little infuser thing inside it there, so you can like pop in some fruit and things like that in it. So yeah, this is a 750 ml, and I love that this one comes with like a little hook here, so you can just basically hold it when you're out and about and things like that. So yeah, absolutely loving this, and this was, I believe this was like £2 or £2.50 I think. Next thing I picked up are these little hair bands. So these are actually a pack of 5, but I've only got 4 here because I've been using one lately, and I really love using little hair bands like this to keep my, you know, my hair away from my face when I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, and I just like that they're plain black as well, so even if you did want to wear them out, then they'll go with everything. So yeah, these were only £1. Okay, so next thing I picked up is a packet of these cotton pads. So these cotton pads are only 90p, and they are so much cheaper than the ones you get from, like, say Superdrugs or even Boots, but I normally get mine from Superdrug, but these ones are like a lot cheaper and you get like way more in the packet as well. So yeah, I like to stock up on some of these when I'm in Primark, so I got a packet of them. I also picked up these earrings, which are absolutely stunning. Like, I think these would be amazing for really glam nights. So that's what they look like there. So yeah, I'm loving these, and these were only £2.50. Okay, so I also picked up a couple of makeup bits. So the first thing I picked up is this set here, which looks amazing. This looks a dupe for the KKW Beauty. Like, yeah, this is like a contour and highlight kit, and as you can see, it just looks really similar to Kim Kardashian's makeup collection. So let me open this and I'll show you exactly what you get in this. So this is called their Nudes Highlight and Contour Kit. So we get these 2 sticks here, which are the highlight and contour duos. First one we have is the cream contour. So on one side we get this really kind of ashy tone colour, which will be great for contouring the hollows. So let me swatch that on the back of my hand. I have swatched these already, and they're like so creamy. Like, that's what it looks like there. Like, how amazing does that look? And it blended really nice with my finger. Like, I haven't tried it, you know, on my face or anything yet, but it blended really nice on my skin. And then on the other side we have this kind of warm bronzer shades, and I'll swatch this one also. So that's what that looks like there. Like, don't mind my hands, I don't have any fake tan on the rest of my body. Like, I've got a foundation on that's a little bit darker than my actual skin tones now, but that's why I'm wearing a long sleeve just now. But yeah, so don't mind my hands. Now yeah, that shade looks really great. It looks like it's going to go really well with the contour colour. And then this one here is a highlighter duo. So we get a highlighter on this side, which looks really nice actually. So I'll swatch that. Okay, it has like a little bit of a, I don't know, is it like a kind of goldy undertone? Like, it's not like completely gold, like, as you can see, you know, it has more of like an icy undertone, but like there is a little bit of kind of gold there I can see, but I don't know if the camera will pick that up. But that looks really, really nice. And then the other side we have this concealer shade, but I think it's a concealer shade, which looks quite... It looks quite yellow, to be honest, like that's it there, so I don't really know how that's going to go in the under eye area. Like, I think it might be a concealer, like I don't know what else that could be used for, maybe colour correcting or something like that. So yeah, that is the highlighting duo. Also in the kit you get this little brow highlighter, which looks quite similar to the actual highlighting shade. This one's just a bit more kind of like icy white, whereas the highlighter has a little bit more of a kind of goldy undertone to it. So that's it there, if you can maybe see that. So I suppose you could use the highlighting shade under the brow bone as well. So yeah, and then we get this little funky tool here, which looks a little bit funny, but this side is a little sponge and then this side is like a kind of brush, like a kabuki brush. So yeah, I suppose you use that for blending in your contour. I'm looking forward to trying that out, and that little kit was, I think it was £8. Yeah, that little kit is £8. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is this foundation, and this is their My Perfect Colour Longwear Ultimate Matte Foundation. So I picked this up because I heard a lot of people saying that this is very similar to the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I've always wanted to try Estee Lauder Double Wear, never got around to getting it. So yeah, I thought I would pick this up when I was in. However, there isn't like a huge range of colours. Like I don't know if it's just Primark I was in or like all the other lighter colours were gone, so I had to get this really kind of dark shade, which is the shade Caramel. So it looks pretty dark, so I'm going to have a lot of fake tan on when I'm wearing this, but I really want to try it because it does say that it's double coverage, it's got a matte finish, and it's also oil free. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this, and hopefully it's really, really good, and then there'll be no need for me to buy Estee Lauder Double Wear. So that foundation was £5. Okay, so I also picked up this little body mist here, and this is the scent Tease. Now I absolutely love the Tease perfume, so I picked up a body mist because I love spraying them like all over my clothes, and I just love this. It's so kind of like fruity, and yeah, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this scent. So this was only £3. So I also picked up a couple of packs of pants, and these are just bikini pants, and these ones are like the full briefs for like that time of the month. So yeah, okay, and then I also picked up a pair of French nails. Like you guys know me, every time I'm in Primark I always pick up a few falsies. So yeah, these are just the little French nails. Absolutely love Primark nails, they're just as good as the Elegant Touch ones. Okay, so next thing I picked up is this little body shimmer. So the packaging of this is really pretty. It looks more expensive than it actually is, and inside we get a little kind of puff thing with it, and yeah, you can just apply this all over like your body, your neck, and yeah, it should give you a nice kind of shimmer to your skin. So I think this would be really great for the summertime. So yeah, looking forward to cover my body in this, and this was £4. Okay guys, so here I go again with more socks. So I picked up 2 packs of these sport socks here, which are just like plain black socks that kind of go a little bit higher up in the ankle than the other ones I have. So these will be great for trainers, I think. And then I really like these because these have like cushion kind of soles on them, so like cushion that the kind of heel and also like the front end of your foot as well, which I'm absolutely loving. They're so much more comfortable. And then the other ones I have are these shoe liner socks, and these ones actually have these little kind of cushion bits around the ankle so that your trainers and things don't dig in, which I think is really, really clever. So these ones are only £2. Okay guys, so I also picked up a pair of light wash kind of denim trousers, but they're in the wash right now, so I can't really show you them. But I do have a few things here that I want to throw into this haul that I got from Home Bargains, because they're literally so cute. So that is the end of the stuff I have from Primark. So I'm just going to show you these next bits that I got from Home Bargains. So I picked up a few jewellery sets. So the first one I picked up is this one, and this is like a rose gold necklace and earrings set. So yeah, this one is so adorable. That's what it looks like there. Like, how cute is that? Next little sets I picked up are these two, and these just have 2 pairs of earrings in them each. So I have this kind of silver pair and this rose gold pair. Okay, and then the next thing I picked up is this really gorgeous glass jar. So I'm going to take this out the packaging so that you can actually see this a bit better. So guys, this is what it looks like here. I'm really loving this. I think it's gorgeous. I don't really know what to fill up with. I was thinking to put maybe makeup sponges in it, or maybe even like nail polishes, but I think it's a little bit fragile to put like glass bottles in this, to be honest. And then I was also thinking maybe putting just like cotton pads in it sort of thing, but I'm not too sure. I suppose I'll find something for it, but I really wanted to get this because I've been looking for something like this for years. And eBay actually sell them, but they sell them for like nearly £30, and this was only like £7.99, which I think is a total bargain. So yeah, really excited to fill this up with something. Leave me some suggestions down below, like what I could fill this up with. I don't really want to fill up with sweets because like I want to put it in like my makeup kind of area sort of thing. So yeah, leave me some suggestions down below what you think this would be really good for. So yeah, that's how it looks, and yeah, just really loving this. So yeah guys, that is it for this haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did really enjoy this video, then remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button before you leave guys, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.